was you. Always remember that. Gotta turn it down now so I can work. It'll be recording my TikTok. Money.
That was a bit of a sly comment there, Tesla man.
Yeah, free party at Demon City Blue. How y'all doing out there today? This morning?
Ted's nuts.
What's up, my brother Ted's nuts, man? So I'm Mike.
You
Good to hear
want
you
to
doing
do
all as well.
Morning there, Glorify. How goes it this horrible ass morning?
Isn't that retard, like, you know, chicken man? Is that...
I got some more sorry son of a bitch.
Dragon Ball P.
Hey, fair party, you'll be able to stretch them stretch marks more, won't you? And they shit it out.
Why don't they always think about
clubhouse.
That Skeezer guy, you want to talk about Red X and someone, you just Red X whoever the hell you want to, you son of a bitch. I don't give a shit about that cocksucker. You understand me, asshole?
Fucking Ted's nuts, man.
I hear that, Glorified. Just watch out for all them ignorant sons of bitches out there on this channel. I haven't been on here a while, but this channel hasn't changed much. There's a lot of sons of bitches out here. I've got a song for you, son of a bitch. It goes like this. If you want to Red X somebody, just fucking do it. Back in my day, nobody bitched about Red X and anybody. They just did it, asshole. Now fuck off, asshole. Back in my day, we didn't have fun. We'd fling ourselves down a hill for fun.
How about me sing us a song? Come on, sing us a lovely Irish song. Oh yeah, start now.
I'll give it a try, man. It's called Don't Let BD in the Country.
Come on, bro.
All together now. Don't let BD in the country. Come on now, baby. Yeah, I quite like that song, man. It took me like 2 seconds to think of that.
That song kind of sucks.
Yeah, the lyrics. Come on, can I get a rating out of 10?
You moron! Was that a song? Sound like you're fucking dying, you cunt. Going to church, you know I'm going to hell.
It's way
All
better.
you lads and lasses here were shining smiley faces. Running down the Scotty Road just as I was standing. Don't take me home, so please don't take me home. I just don't want to go to work. I want to stay here and drink all your beer. So please don't take me home.
I won't.
XTY, you son of a... XTY, you son of a bitch.
You moron. How are you doing, lad? Hope you're good, moron.
Yeah, XTY, I'm doing okay for an old man out there. Yeah, I'm getting pretty old, but I'm still hanging in there.
Good afternoon. It's the sheriff. I'm going down now.
Are you Sheriff, man? You've done a bloody spot-on impression of Sheriff, man. Exactly what is the Sheriff going down on?
Nah, those mom jokes get pretty old after a while, XTY. That's why I don't do that shit. But I do like to say, you son of a bitch.
I just think, lad, I've just been smashing Geordie pasty this morning. Fucking right up your...
Last time I heard Davy Jones on here, he's acting like a fucking asshole.
Don't sugarcoat it. Tell us what you really think.
Ignorant, stupid son of a bitch.
You really feel it.
I prefer this one, XTY, man. Don't let BD in the country. It won't work.
got against Bad Dragon, Skeezer?
baby.
I've always loved, right, the bleeding races from Newcastle. Unbelievable. Unfucking believable. Hey, the lads, you should have seen us Canon running down the Scotty Road just as I was standing. All the lads and lasses here were shining smile.
Tesla, man, we could talk about anxiety and aiming kicks on in the throat.
My anxiety level right now is non-existent. Non-existent, man. Are you kidding me? There's no way.
That's some tune 100 there.
What I find interesting, Tesla man, David Hambury, is a piece of shit.
I hope the daft cunt's other leg falls off. Fucking Davy Jones, what a fucking prick, man. I hope his other leg fucking falls off.
XTY about that.
They're absolutely weak. Now, I don't know for sure, but David could have just done that for attention.
But don't forget there, Mr. Tesla. Everybody's got tapes. Everybody's got these old-fashioned metal tapes that were made during the 1970s. Yeah. Oh, what he might say, Tesla, is because they're very old.
Yeah, they're old
like,
tapes.
Hi-fi metallic tapes that, you know, kind of like deteriorate over the course of years, that they might not be viable anymore.
Tesla gets recorded on this app. Hey, since when there, Tesla, man?
Back in 1975.
Angry, smelly-ass grandpa said he had these tapes of Tesla. I said, let me know when you get them tapes. I want to hear them. He was like congratulating me and shit. He ain't. No, there are no tapes.
I always love it when people are so sure they can provide hard, concrete evidence that you've done something, but there's always a certain caveats to them proving it, you know? It's never as straightforward as, oh, I've got evidence of you doing something really bad, and guess what? Here is the evidence. Everybody have a listen. Everybody have a watch. That was simple. Well, I'm going to say right now, Tesla, that I have got an old Betamax video of you wanking off a chicken.
Wait a minute.
I do. But, I will decide when to show this video. I will.
Show no tape.
I'm definitely going to show this tape, Tesla. Definitely.
No.
But I'm going to keep you guessing, mate.
Nobody was looking, I checked.
Tomorrow, could be in a month, could be in a year, could be yesterday. Now I'm going to keep guessing. Yeah, and then when you keep on banging on about me showing this tape and like, haven't I shown the tape yet? I'm just going to say, I've already shown it, mate. Not my fault if you weren't there.
I think the angry grandpa guy also goes as a different character, because I've heard that voice so many times, like 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago, even longer maybe, going under something different.
Yeah, it's not your fault, man. It's on fucking reel-to-reel.
I don't have a reel-to-reel tape machine.
You know what I mean? What do they want from you?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go get the tapes. Get the tapes.
Get the tapes, man.
Yeah, I'm not up with these new technologies, these MP3s and CDs, whatever they mean. So it's a Betamax, 8-track. Yeah, they were the days.
Well, Essex lad, I've got a video of you on my Samsung S3 watching people and filming people wank chickens off.
The hell you say, 4Q?
So, but I need to get a battery phone first to be able to show it to them.
Oh, 4Q, would you, Adam and Eve, that 2 people was actually there to witness that fucking strange event?
Good afternoon, 4Q. Good afternoon, 4Q. It's the sheriff.
Oh my god, Pirhana, was it you? Was you the sheriff?
Mr. Pirhana, how are you doing? So you are the sheriff, are you?
It's the sheriff.
Pirhana, man, it's starting to freak me out when that sheriff, man.
Right, it has now been confirmed that Paul Pirhana is the sheriff. Paul Pirhana is the sheriff.
The sheriff.
The sheriff.
Stop fucking saying fucking all fucking time, for fuck's sake. Fucking hell.
Yeah, don't say that again.
Yes, I'm an actor. I'm a sheriff.
Sheriff.
Right, I'm irritating myself now. Time to shut up.
It's getting bad, Pirhana, when you irritate yourself.
Carlos, it's me, the sheriff. I'm going to the pub tonight.
Fuck off, Paul. I'm going down now.
Separated at birth, Skeezer. What's up, Leah?
Skeezer, have you been slagging off Davy Jones? By any chance?
Oh, Skeezer, he thinks he's a bit of a geezer, but he's really quite sad, oh Skeezer.
I like to have a masturbate, man. You know what I mean? You know, they don't like it when you start spilling the truth. Cool dude's gay, definitely. Don't care that he is.